In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a presentation in Google Meet. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're in a business meeting or a virtual classroom, because ensuring your audio is working properly is crucial for clear and effective communication. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, you want to open your web browser and go to Google. This is where you'll begin by accessing the array of applications Google offers. Once you're on the Google homepage, look towards the upper right corner for the Google Apps icon. This icon appears as a small grid of 9 dots, and when you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various Google applications. From this menu, locate and click on the Meet icon. This will take you directly to Google Meet, where you can begin setting up your virtual presentation. After you arrive at the Google Meet page, look for the option that says New Meeting. It should be prominently displayed, allowing you to start a new session. When the option appears, click Start an Instant Meeting. This automatically initiates a meeting, allowing you to prepare for your presentation. As the meeting interface loads, one of the crucial features you are looking for is the option to present your screen. You will find the option labeled as Present Now or Share Screen. Click on this button to proceed with sharing your presentation. You will have several choices for what you can share, but for this instance, select a tab. Make sure to choose the specific presentation tab that you want to share with your audience. An important detail to check here is the small checkbox that says Share Tab Audio. Ensure that this option is selected so your audience can hear any audio included in your presentation. Once you've selected your presentation tab and enabled audio sharing, click on the Share button to begin sharing your content live. Now, your audience can see and hear everything you've prepared. However, if you encounter any issues with audio, maybe you realize the sound is off, there's a quick fix. On the bottom of the meeting interface, locate the audio button associated with the presentation, and here you can mute or unmute the presentation audio as needed. Remember, keeping an eye on these settings as you navigate your meeting is essential. This helps in maintaining a smooth flow of your presentation and ensures that all participants can fully engage with the content you're sharing. That's it for today's video on how to unmute a presentation in Google Meet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to sharing more tips with you soon.